Gold prices fell sharply this week in Chennai. But how much did 24 karat, 22 karat, and 18 karat gold actually drop? And is this a buying opportunity or a warning sign? Let's break down the full weekly gold trend. Hello, and welcome to Nifty Gold Pulse. Let's look at the weekly gold trend in Chennai from March 15th to March 21st, 2026. Let's start with 24 karat gold, which is pure gold. On March 15th, 2026, the 24 karat gold rate was 16,102 rupees per gram. By March 21st, 2026, it had fallen to 14,858 rupees per gram. That means 24 karat gold dropped by 1,244 rupees per gram this week. If we look at the 8-gram price, it moved from 1,28,816 rupees to 1,18,864 rupees. That is a fall of 9,952 rupees for 8 grams in just 1 week. This is not a small correction. It shows a strong downward move in pure gold prices across the week. Now let's look at 22 karat gold, which is the most popular category for jewelry buyers. On March 15th, 2026, the 22 karat gold rate was 14,760 rupees per gram. On March 21st, 2026, it came down to 13,620 rupees per gram. So 22 karat gold fell by 1,140 rupees per gram this week. For 8 grams, the price moved from 1,18,080 rupees to 1,08,960 rupees. That is a weekly decline of 9,120 rupees. This is a major drop for jewelry buyers because 22 karat is the rate most families track for purchases like chains, bangles, earrings, and wedding jewelry. Now coming to 18 karat gold, which is often used in modern and lightweight jewelry designs. On March 15th, 2026, the 18 karat gold rate was 12,400 rupees per gram. By March 21st, 2026, it had dropped to 11,360 rupees per gram. That means 18 karat gold declined by 1,040 rupees per gram this week. For 8 grams, the rate came down from 99,200 rupees to 90,880 rupees. That is a fall of 8,320 rupees over the week. So across all 3 purity levels, 24 karat, 22 karat, and 18 karat, the trend was clearly negative. Here is the quick weekly summary. 24 karat gold, down 1,244 rupees per gram. 22 karat gold, down 1,140 rupees per gram. 18 karat gold, down 1,040 rupees per gram. So among these, 24 karat saw the biggest fall in absolute rupee terms. That makes this week a significant correction in Chennai gold prices. When gold falls this much in a week, buyers naturally ask why. In general, such price pressure can happen due to profit booking after previous highs, changes in international gold prices, movement in the rupee against the dollar, and shifts in global safe haven demand. For local buyers, what matters most is this. The rates have become much lower compared to the start of the week. So what does this mean for people planning to buy gold? If you are a jewelry buyer, this drop may look attractive, especially in 22 karat gold. If you are a pure gold investor, then the fall in 24 karat is the most important number to watch. If you are buying for weddings or long-term savings, this week's lower prices may offer better entry levels than last week. But at the same time, price volatility is still high. So instead of buying all at once, many people prefer to buy in parts. Now the big question, what can happen next week? If the downward pressure continues, gold may remain soft. But if international prices stabilize, there could also be a rebound from these lower levels. So the key thing to watch next week is whether gold holds near current levels or slips further. Follow Nifty Gold Pulse for daily updates. And comment, will gold go up next week or fall more?